Hi, everyone. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. We're going to go over our severe weather setup for Tuesday. First, though, we will review the beginning of the month as temperatures so far have been quite mild. Remember, last week we were in the 70s and 80s, and then it finally cooled down over the weekend. Some cloudy skies on Sunday and today with high temperatures around 63 degrees. Now, as we go into the later part of the week, we will see some colder air come in. This will just be, I think, a quick shot of some colder air with even colder air still to follow once we get that run up to Christmas week. This is the storm system that we're tracking. It's very deep. It's very strong. It's been very consistent in the data. The red arrows here indicating some very strong winds aloft and also strong winds aloft all the way down along the Gulf Coast. So in between high pressure along the Florida Panhandle and this big deep low out in the Rockies, we've got stormy weather setting up, especially for Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. So this could be a severe weather tornado outbreak for parts of the area. In fact, the latest data coming out from the Storm Prediction Center backed up the enhanced risk farther to the west. It now includes Rusk County, southern Cherokee County, all of Nacogdoches County, all of Angelina County, a portion of Harrison County, Marshall, Shelby County, and then San Augustine and Sabine County. And so an enhanced risk means there will be numerous severe thunderstorms in this area, shaded in orange. Large hail, it's a possibility typically in these enhanced outlooks. But for tomorrow, I think it's more so tornadoes being possible as opposed to large hail. And straight line damaging winds, also a possibility, especially down here. The yellow area, slight risk means scattered severe thunderstorms, some of these intense with, again, large hail typically if this was spring. Since it's winter, we're not really concerned much about the large hail aspect as we are about the damaging wind gusts, which could exceed 70 miles an hour. So the severe weather risk for tomorrow, it's low when it comes to flash flooding, though we could have some, especially over deep East Texas. The wind threat is elevated. The hail threat is very low. The tornado threat also elevated for Tuesday. So let's go over that tornado threat. And this is a hatched area, meaning when you see the hatch, this means that we could see tornadoes that are EF2 or stronger across this area. So that is an area that has an elevated risk of tornadoes with a hatched area, meaning there could be strong tornadoes. Low threat back to the west, but again, not out of the question that we couldn't have a quick spin up along the cold front that comes through late morning into the early afternoon from Gilmer to Tyler back to Palestine. But we're going to watch cells that will develop out ahead of that main line in Angelina County, San Augustine County, Shelby County, Panola County, into Nacogdoches and southern Rusk County. So in this area here, any cell that gets going and it becomes a rogue cell moving out into this warm environment, this will be the area where we could see a tornado spin up. And again, it could be on the strong side. The wind gust tomorrow is elevated for this whole area shaded in yellow. So 60, 65 mile an hour wind gusts, enhanced wind threat here, San Augustine to center to Carthage. So you're talking 70 to 80 mile an hour winds possible in the enhanced area of wind damage tomorrow. So that is a real possibility. All right, so let's start Future Skycast at 6 a.m. We'll stop it along the way. 6 a.m. tomorrow, temperatures are in the mid-60s. Overnight, tonight into tomorrow morning, there's likely a lot of moisture flowing in, so we could have some fog. We could have some drizzle, things of that nature, maybe a few passing showers. But at 6 a.m., just a few passing showers. Then the front moves in. By 12:30, it's slicing or cutting East Texas right in half. Look how fast the temperatures drop to 59 in Tyler with showers and thunderstorms. Still in the 70s out ahead of that. Little cell here. These are the cells that we are concerned about. These little cells that pop up and then join the line. And then as the line sharpens up later into the afternoon and the evening, that's when we could have those 70 to 80 mile an hour wind gusts with an embedded spin up possible. Notice by 7 o'clock Tuesday evening, the rain chance overall is down to 10%. Temperatures are into the lower 60s with the north wind. Then Wednesday morning, the true cold front comes through. So all of these thunderstorms are along the wind shift line or the dry line, but the true cold front, remember when you have cold air, It starts off shallow and then it gets deeper and deeper. So this is where the true elevated, or we call the 850 front, at about 5,000 feet off the surface. This comes through with some showers and colder temperatures behind it in the 50s, recovering back into the 60s briefly Wednesday afternoon and then falling. So by Thursday morning, look at these lows, mid to upper 30s. Big drastic change coming in here Thursday. In fact, we may be as cold as 35 Thursday morning, and Friday 35, Saturday 34, if not colder, Sunday 31, and right in this window here, we may have some rain and snow mixing. Then Monday 38, 39 on Tuesday, Wednesday 21, and then that secondary push of colder air comes in on the 22nd, and the lows fall to around 30 degrees. All right, this is Saturday afternoon at 3 o'clock. Notice this little rain snow mix here right along Interstate 20 up to Interstate 30. Probably not going to stick, but seeing snowflakes in December, wow, we've got cold air in place, moisture is moving northward, riding up and over that cold air, and that's where we see just those little snowflakes mixing in with raindrops or drizzle. All right, rainfall, how much are we going to see? Not a bad amount. We need all the rain we can get. We don't need the severe weather, but we could be looking at maybe 0.6 of an inch to an inch, inch and a quarter, closer to 2 inches of rainfall in some parts. All right, so here's what we have so far in the month of December. Half inch of rainfall in Tyler, half inch at Lufkin, over an inch, should say half inch at Longview, over an inch at Lufkin. Compare that to average, it's below average at all three locations. For the year, still running 8.5 to 11.5 inches below normal. All right, hour by hour for tomorrow. So by 10 a.m., we're already in the thunderstorms and an 80% chance of thunderstorms with temperatures in the upper 60s. Mid 60s at noon, 67 at 1 p.m., at 64 at 2 o'clock with an 80% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Becoming rainy by 3 o'clock as the severe weather threat starts to shift down into deep East Texas by 3 or 4 o'clock. High temperatures tomorrow in Pittsburgh, 65 degrees, Linden around 66. In our central counties, we'll see a high of 68 in Longview and Tyler, 69 at Jacksonville, 72 at Henderson, and 69 in Palestine. Also 73 at Crockett with showers. Strong thunderstorms in southern Cherokee County. That's what this denotes here. Not snowflakes, but possibly strong thunderstorms that could include hail. It's interesting that they put that in there. I guess it's because it could be ice is technically, hail is technically ice. So yeah, it could be that way. All right, here's a look at the Baylor Scott White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast, and we are looking at highs tomorrow with thunderstorms around 68. Cooler and morning showers Wednesday, 61. Mid-50s on Thursday, 52 Friday. Upper 40s, rain, snow possible late afternoon Saturday. Then cold Sunday morning. Then showers Monday. Another front here, partly cloudy Tuesday, 52 degrees. First day of winter is a week from Wednesday. We'll see a 20% chance of some rain and snow, 46. And then snow showers in the forecast a week from Thursday, rounding out our 10-day forecast. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Have a great night. Make sure to check back throughout the day tomorrow for updates on our severe weather threat.